Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 1994 to 2004 S10 in Sonoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle and jack up the transmission. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bolts on each end of the crossmember, followed by removing the crossmember. Step 3. Slide in the driver's side of the crossmember into place. Using a 15mm socket, install the 2 bolts and nuts on each side of the crossmember. Finally, spray the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Then you're done!